yung kwento nila kung sino sila noon. Now they're earning 1/4 million a month. Sabi ko kanina kay NMD Peter, di ko naiintindihan talaga sa 6 years ko in lifestyles. Kung sinong tao ang aayaw sa idea na haba ang buhay ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. If you are a guest right now, you've heard everything, how can you refuse good health for your family?
Yes!
Parang sinabi mo na lang na, I will not be joining lifestyles. Bala na si Lord, kung mamatay sila bukas, palibing na lang. I love my family so much. Pagmula nung nagsimula ako sa lifestyles in 2008 until today, and days onward, parang hindi pwedeng hindi kami iinom ng intra-nutrient fiber. Pwedeng walang toothpaste, pero hindi pwedeng walang intra. And I cannot believe also kung bakit marami pa rin tao ang nakikinig na sa opportunity ng lifestyles. Tapos sabi, mag-isip pa kayo. Mag-isip, ang offer is financial freedom. How can you answer? Isipin ko nga kung gusto ko nga yumaman. Kasi nung nalaman ko, nakita ko yung opportunity. When I saw on my 2nd month, when I went to Cebu, I saw my first national gala. Nakita ko nun sa GMD Peng, GMD June, GMD Teen. Tapos sabi ko, 1 million a month? 53 years old ako that time. I'm 39 right now. Sabi ko nga kay Sean, money will really make you very pretty. Nung nakita ko sila, they're earning 1 million a month. I finished Bachelor of Laws and almost a lawyer. I'm an accountant. I have a master's degree in business administration. And that time I was so broke. And these people, June Igut, high school grad, millionaire.
Yes!
Sabi ko, oh my God! Anong ginawa ko dun sa Bicol? Mag-aral ng mag-aral. Yung libro, walang pera. Kaya pag may downline ako, sinasabi, Ma'am, I cannot attend the NDSO because I will be attending my masterals. Sabi ko, marami akong diploma. Gusto mo, uwi tayo, bigay ko na lang sa'yo. Halos abogada ako. Tapos yung sasakyan ko noon na Honda City, hindi ko nga mailabas ng garahe kasi wala akong pang gasolina. At ang damit ko noon, ukay-ukay. Kakati sa liig. Pantalon ko noon, Levi's daw. Pero bingi naman. Can you imagine? You have been witness of 10 millionaires right now. Distributors that are around. Payag ba kayo na tagapalakpak na lang forever? Dudugo ang kamay niyo, mangingitim yan. Yung mga guest na narito, maniwala ako dyan. Huwag na po kayo maniwala. Di naman pwedeng lahat mayaman. Wala na kami mautusan. At me, I came from a humble beginning. My mother is a DepEd teacher. Na nung namatay, ang pension was 3,000 a month. My father never had a chance for retirement. He succumbed to lung cancer and left all of us behind, 8 of us, under the care of my DepEd teacher mother. Yung ayos ko resume to, malayo ito sa ayos ko noon. Kahit nung nasa bangko ako, ang itim-itim ng liig ko, ang itim ng... Basta marami ako maitim. Sinasabi ko na lang, black is beautiful. Nagpo-project na lang, kaya lang, kahit anong project mo, hindi mo may project talaga pag mahirap ka. Wala. I have broken spirits. I have high dreams. Big dreams. Pero hanggang doon na lang, parang gabi-gabi napapangungot na ako. There were times in my life, I was so down. Sabi ko, grabe ang problema ko nun, sabi ko. Tapos ako, sana masagasaan ako. Nakapipit ako. Diyos talaga, hindi ako nasagasaan. Minsan nga, sinalubong ko yung sakyan, gumanan ako. Tumigil yung library niya, alis dyan! I was even trying to question God before. Sabi ko, dasal ako ng dasal, wala nang sagot. Baka wala nang Diyos. Kasi, if you're 53 and you're still so broke and you work so hard kasi masipag ako, pero broke ka, 53 years old, parang, may Diyos nga ba? Especially pag nakita mo yung mga kapatid mo. Mas matanda pa sa akin, but they're younger than me. Nakita ko yung nanay ko noon, punta sa bakal. Sir, pahiram ang mundo. Kaya lang, every other day yun. Pag wala kang 100, galit ka sa nanay mo. Sabi ko, bakit ma hindi kayo nag-sideline noon? Bakit ako? Kahit corn beef, binibenta ko. Brick, bra, corn beef, kahit ano. Looking back, alam mo, itong talk right now, when I went to United States this January, nagliligpit ako sa bahay ng anak ko, sa library. May nakita akong libro. Sabi ko, I guess I know this. Parang alam ko, pagkuha ko. That was the book that I read when I decided to leave employment. Hindi pa uso ang network marketing in the Philippines, I gave up employment at age 29. Sabi ng mga kakilala ko, gaga daw ako. Ang daming gusto-gusto pumasok sa bangko, ako naman nag-resign. I read that book when I was age 20. When I read it again this year, sabi ko, iba yung interpretation ko noon sa interpretation ko ngayon. That's why it took me a long time to achieve my millions. Pag sinasabi sa bank, dati akong banker, pumunta ako sa bangko, sabi nila, Bessel, how does it feel to become a millionaire? Sabi ko, tikil ka nga dyan. Millions, I have billions in the bank. Yung palaging pinapalabas sa school kasi walang vision, ako yun. Now I'm a millionaire. Yung antayin ko ang mga kapatid ko matapos kumain, pag may natira akin, pag wala. That's why I had an 18-inch waistline before. Pag kulang kang pagkain, sexy ka talaga. People who know me, especially the bankers and the Gaston City, they knew how hard life was for me before. They're asking me, paano mo nagawang mabago ang buhay mo? Sabi ko, pag sinabi kong intra, sabihin mo, intrahin na naman kami ni Rosel. People ask me how I earned my millions, and if I tell them about intra, they wouldn't want to listen. So, sabi ko, I'm getting used to the idea that I really have to talk to a lot of people before I come up with champions and millionaires again. So, nung nakita ko yung libro, I read it again. But, sabi ko, somehow, may nangyari talaga sa akin nung nabasa ko ang libro. Kaya lang, kung nabasa ko yun noon, na ang frame of mind ko is the same frame of mind that I have right now, I could have been a millionaire at age 35. Kaya lang ako noon, I just want to leave the bank, just be done with everything. Akala ko na may problema pa ako. Mga ka-opisina ko para masama ang ugali lahat, hindi ako masaya. Even with my husband, sabi ko, ang dami naman ang ligaw, bakit kayo pa nakuha ko? I was finding fault and everything. Lahat pangit, walang maganda. Only to realize now na ang pangit talaga noon was me. I was so bitter, angry, sad, and down. Sana mabasa niyo yung librong binasa ko. Siguro yung frame of mind, especially ng lifestylers, will be very different than the frame of mind that I had when I was younger. Lifestyles bring out the best in everybody. Nakinihirap ako, mahirap na mahirap na mahirap. Kung yung rags to riches, parang ako yun. Mahirap na mahirap. My father died because we never had the money to give him proper medical attention. When my mother died, I spent $1 million. Pero wala yun. I spent $1 million. The following month, I bought a car. The following month, I left for United States. Life is different. Sa mga narito, mga distributors, I cannot understand kung bakit hindi nyo nakukuha yung kahit man lang executive director na 56,000. I really cannot understand. Because if you love your family so much, may nag-testimony one day, executive director, mahal na mahal niya ang pamilya niya. You pray so hard. I need money. Lifestyles is money. All you have to do is look for people like me. Sawang-sawa na magutom ang mga kapatid. Sawang-sawa na mag-say no sa magulang. Then, wala. You have 14,000. In 1 week, get 4. You have 56,000. Then you are an executive director. Hatawin mo, the following month, paturo ka sa magagaling na mentors, yung kumikita ng 100,000 a month and above. They have a good track record of their income. They know how to make it. They can teach you. Hindi ka man mag-national marketing director, power lit ka. Now you want to earn 1/4 million a month? That's around 3 million a year. Promote yourself to National Marketing Director. Following year, you can be earning $1 million a month as International Marketing Director. Did you see the global marketing directors? Pag pinalabas ko yan dyan, alam mo kung ano ang income niyan. Halata, kitang-kita kahit magpaka-low profile. You know what I did in my life? When I saw this opportunity, when I saw Johnny Ikot, when I saw JMD Peng, when I saw JMD Tudinyo, then when I saw, nakita ko na ito noon sina JMD Eva Rodilius, kita ko siya noon, naka-bear retreat in Cebu. Nakita ko si Malu, di pa siya JMD pero once a leader, you know already if a person is a leader. Sabi ko, kakayanin ko to. Kung naging millionaire, Poster of Millionaire awardee ako sa Sara Lee, 1 million a month ang benta, sa Lifestyles 1 million a month ang kita. Kaya lang, is dandan. Sinabi ko nga noon, Ma'am Peng, ano mag-GMD? Dapat daw ay anim na powerlik sa DPO Finance. Maniman, anim lang palang leader, kadali man ito. Wala man ka-challenge. But when I made the run for the NMD, takanta ako kanina, hindi sila, nung nag-NMD ako, bumaha ako ng luha talaga. Ramdam na ramdam ko ba kung paano maghirap? Kaya yung nahawakan ko yung check ko, 250,000. Sabi ko, may masamang mangyayari. Bihira akong surtihin, ngayon may surti, baka may malas na karating. The following month, I received my 250,000 again. Diyos ko, Lord, kung kukunin kahit sino sa mahal ko, hindi ko kakayanin. Sanay naman ako sa paghihirap. Kung gusto mo kunin, pero wag na po niyong kunin. When I received my $500,000 as International Marketing Director, I told my husband, huwag mo kong gagalitin. Milyonarya na ako. You want to be millionaires? Yes! You want to take good care of your parents before they leave you? Yes! Gusto mo ba yung mga kapatid mo, hindi na namamaligo sa'yo, yung pinupuntahan mo kahit hindi nangihingi? Yes! Nagsawa ka na ba kapapanood sa mga naghihirap at naglilimahid sa paligid mo?
Yes!
Then, what are you waiting for?
Yes!
Ano bang inaantay ninyo? Wala na kaming may turo. Isang recruit, 14. Pag dalawa times 2, 28. May libre kang 16,200. Recruit ng recruit ng recruit, 2,500. Ano pa? Ilan ang product? Inland, Ultra, and Fiberlight. Ano pa? You know what your problem is? You!
Yes!
You don't want to be rich! Nagkukunyari ka lang. Sabi mo, mahal kong pamilya ko, ibigay ko lahat, tapos tulog. Punta na punta kay upline, I'm running! Sa upline naman, sige, ganito gawin, LOS. Hindi makahalata si upline. Pag alis, lahat ng tinuro. Multiple choice lang siya. Alin kaya dito ang sundin ko? Lifestyle has the perfect system.
Yes!
If you follow the rules given by your upline, I call it rules. Blindly, no revision, do not edit it. Then, what we have, you can even have more than what we have. Bakit matigas ang ulo? Bakit gusto makipag-away sa apply na nagtuturo? Eh kung turuan kaya namin kayo ng mali, may kitain kaya kami? I told myself, kung kaya ni GMD Julie Egot, kung kaya ni GMD Ping, I will do everything to the best that I can do. By the grace of God, I'm gonna make it.
Yes!
I love my family so much. Sila muna bago ako. Meron akong order of priorities. God, family, lifestyles. That's my order of priorities. Yan yung mukhang ito. I talk about God. Di bagay, di ba? Buti nga, umaba na ang palda ko. Nagagalit kasi si June pag ma-exit. Yung mga talks ko before, when I started receiving my millions, cannot believe it, na ako yun. Sabi ko, well, bakit nasabi ko yung mga yun? I am not very religious, but my faith is unwavering. It's just like the rock of Gibraltar. Lahat ng imposible sa buhay ko nung dinasal ko, They were granted. They were granted. Sabi ko, hindi naman siguro talaga ako masama masyado. Kasi kung masama ako masyado, di wala sana itong lahat ng binigay sa akin. Yung mga masama dito,
Bago na kayo.
believe me, circumstances sometimes would account bitterness, hate, sadness. There's that best in you. There's that kindness in your heart. Buti na lang, nag-lifestyle ko. Kasi kung hindi, sabi ng mga kaklase ko noon, friends ko, boring na daw ako. Bakit? Noon, you have that wonderful criminal mind. Nobody would cross me, I get even. That's why my idol before was Donald Trump. But now, if you cross me, if you hurt me, sabi ko, parang siya ako noon. Huwag ko nang patulan. Payamanin ko na lang ito, babait ito. If you want really to make it, you've got to read with me. Kita mo yun? That's Intra Nutria Fiber Life plus millions. Takin mo, Jun, kung hindi ako nag-lifestyle, hindi ako sana gumandang ganito. Naging lawyer sana ako, nakalagay sa ayaw ng pangalan ko, here lies a lawyer, and she lied still. Would you like to say this? Say it to your neighbor. Sabihin mo, there must be a special place for me. Sabihan mo, there must be
A special place for me.
You are special. You can be a national marketing director.
Yes!
I would love to witness 20 NMD's promotions this month.
Yes!
Yes! Sabi nga ni Sean, I've grown my bird. Kaya na umaga daw, nagpaahit siya. Ngayon, mahaba na ulit yung balabas niya sa haba ng testimonies. Kita niyo yun? So kung magpapromote tayo ng 20, this April, we have a very beautiful problem. I will persist until I succeed.
Yes.
6 years ago, I said that. Sabi ko, kung nakaya nila, kakayanin ko ito. Nung kinakaya ko na, parang hindi ko kaya. Hirap na hirap ako noon. Kasi, siyempre, hindi ka marunong. Sabihin ko, rekrutin kita. Saan? Sa Intra. Yung 50,000 pa noon eh. Ang ano? Wala ka ma-recruit na ganyan, Rosel. Wala daw bibili, mahal. Sabi ko, paano naman naging mga leaders yung mga ito? Meron silang alam, dapat na-discover ko. May alam kami, ayaw nyo mag-attend ng workshops, hindi nyo talaga ma-discover. You don't wanna talk to your mentors, you will never discover it. For those who will persist. Ano ba yun sa Mindanao, persist? Sa amin kasi, tiyaga. Hard work. I was not delivered into this world into defeat, nor does failure courses in my veins. I am not a sheep waiting to be prodded by my shepherd. I am a lion and I refuse to talk, to walk, to sleep with a sheep. Akala mo lang, mahina ka. Yun ang akala mo. Pero kung tumapang ka, panoorin mo na lang kaya ang mga anak mo natutulog na hirap na hirap. Tignan natin kung kayanin mo. Yung ayaw mong tignan. Kung tano kaya yung nanay mo, na tinataguan mo, Tignan natin kung hindi mo kayanin ang kinaya namin. You are a lion. You're just sleeping there. Refuse to be alone. That was the book that I read when I was age 29 by Old Mandino, the greatest salesman in the world. We are not into traditional selling. Yung magbenta-benta na, huy, alika, bumili ka nito kasi pag nakainom si Mr. talagang kahit tulog, dindig. Hindi siya ganon. The slaughterhouse of failure is not your destiny. The distributors na parang gusto na mag-quit, that's not your destiny. Nung pumasok ka sa lifestyles, sabi ng Diyos, I'm answering your prayers. What are you waiting for? You prayed for this. Bakit ito binigay? Ayaw mo na. You quit. Marami kang activities against the activities of lifestyles, but you prayed for a blessing. Your prayers are now answered. Meron ako ikwento sa inyo. This is during the time of Jesus Christ. Si Hakid is a very rich merchant. Yung buong mundo, kanya halos lahat ng paninda. Marami siyang warehouses. Ang trusted niyang bookkeeper was Erasmus. Naglalakad-lakad siya sa palasyo niya. Tapos sabi niya kay Erasmus, i-account mo lahat ng kayamanan ko. Right now, more or less. Sabi ni Erasmus, this much. Okay. Lahat ng mga warehouses natin around the world, sabihan mo, tigil na ang operation. Wala nang mag-o-order. Pati yung warehouse natin, na main warehouse, wala na. Lahat ng warehouses natin, pinapamanak ko na sa mga managers. Bala niya sila. Itong warehouse na narito, sa'yo na. Plus my pals. Pag-iwan na ako ng konti sa akin. Sabi niya, yung oras niya daw, palapit na. Hindi makapagsalita si Erasmus. Noong panahon, yung mga ganyan, nakikinig lang, nag-yes lang. Walang tayo, yes.
Yes!
Kaya ako na-promote kaagad, yes ako ng yes.
Yes!
So sabi ni Erasmus, nung matapos-tapos na ipamigay na lahat, pumunta siya kay Hakid. Pagpasok niya sa palasyo, nakita niya wala ng guard. May isang kwarto doon, na palaging may gwardya, pinapasok siya. Noon, napagkukwentuhan na ang laman daw noon, mga diamonds, gold, lahat ng kayamanan sa mundo. Yung iba nagkukwento, may harem daw doon ng mga babae. When they opened the door, just the two of them, dahil wala ng tao sa palasyo, the room was empty, except for a chest. May baul. Sabi ni Erasmus, ito lang ba ang binantayan? Sabi ni Hakid, nandyan yung 10 scrolls and the letter and 100 gold bars. 100 pieces. Yan ang pinagbantayan ko at dyan nagsimula ang kayamanan ko. Sabi ni Erasmus, bakit hindi mo na lang yan pinamigay sa mga loyal mong tauhan? Sabi niya, nag-promise ako sa nagbigay niyan sa akin na ibibigay ko lang yan sa tamang panahon and there will be a sign. Just like when it was bequeathed or given to me, there was a sign. Yung magmamana niyan will be as rich and will be the greatest salesman, just like me, in the whole world. So sabi ni si Erasmus masaya. Yung buong warehouse kanya, yung buong palasyo kanya, binigyan pa siya ng maraming gold. But sabi ni Hakid, you've got to promise to me, Erasmus, you'll stay with me until that person come or until I die. So days passed by, malungkot si Hapit, wala pang sign. Habang nagmumuni-muni siya, naalala niya paano napunta sa kanya yung kayamanan na meron siya. Years back, a year after the death of Jesus Christ, during the time of Bethlehem, meron din merchant na kasing yaman niya. Yung scrolls, by the way, ang nakalagay doon, 10 na scrolls. Except for one containing principles that when a person may be able to master all the principles, one has the power to accumulate all the wealth he desires. May scroll. Mantakin mo ang kayamanan, nasa scroll lang. Parang lifestyles. Yung kayamanan dito, hindi man gold bars. Ang kayamanan dito, yun nandito lang. At narito, nasa puso, nasa isip, and then one JFD payment Mendoza is earning more than 5 million a month.